Mweri-inĩ uyu wa 11 Ministry ya Githomo ikoretwo ikirumirira na kinyi uria mathukuru marebanga mbere ya arutwo othe macokereirie. Ndeto iria Minister wa Githomo George Magoha atitirithitie muno ari ati gutiri murutwo ona umwe ugucokera kirathi kiria arari.
The children will have to move to the next class and our job is to find out a timetable that will make sure, the calendar that will make sure that a child is converted even if it overflows into 2022.
Thukuru nini tu irerikana no cironekana itarikiriirie mibango iria bataire ona gutuika haria hatigarite ni handu hangirika mbere ya arutwo macokereirie.
The government will have enough time to work through the timetable for the rest of the year.
Icera-inĩ riake mwena wa Embu, mwandiki mukaru Ministry-inĩ ya Githomo Belio Kipsang orĩtie aciri makorwo marĩ kĩonereria kĩega harĩ arutwo gutigĩrĩra nĩ mataũkwo wega bata wa mĩtaratara ĩrĩa gathĩkĩtwo ya kũgirĩrĩria gũtamba kwa mũrimũ wa COVID-19.
If we as adults are disciplined and adequately take care of ourselves, then we shall minimize taking the disease to our children in our homes. And when that happens, when we minimize that particular situation, then our children will be safe.
Gukinyiria muthia-ini wa mweri wa Dithemba, Ministry no irehoka ni gukorwo itirihite mitaratara yothe gutigirira arutwo ni macoka thukuru hatari ugwati oro wothe umang'etheire.
We have not had more than 200 cases across the whole country. So to a very large extent, we can say that we have adequately contained the challenge of corona in our schools.
Each school is actually connected to a health facility. But so far as Embu County, we don't have any case of corona in our schools. But we still have cases, positive cases in our community.
Arutwo matanyiheire milioni 3 aria marikitie gucoka thukuru matanyitwo gukambiriria igeranio ciao mweri-inĩ wa kana mwaka-inĩ ukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.